Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.